Why? Why geometry? I don't like geometry.
Proofs, look over some formulas and my theorems and stuff.
Yeah, it's got a lot of studying to do tonight.
Hello, kids.
Hi, Grandma.
What are you doing?
We're just looking over some geometry. We have a big test tomorrow.
Geometry? Why are you learning about geometry? We don't even use geometry.
Well, Grandma, one reason is it's pretty useful.
Useful? I'd like to know how you think geometry is useful.
Well, there's a lot of jobs out there, like engineers and architects, and like in construction, it's like the basic building block, and like in scientific instruments and carpenters and painters use it.
And it's challenging. I mean, we all like puzzles. I know you like your crossword in the morning.
I do love crosswords, yes.
And it's pretty logical. I mean, don't you love a good logic problem?
Yeah, I can go for some logic sometimes.
Yeah, and it gives visual meaning to algebra problems. So, I mean, you can see what's going on.
This is true. I'm starting to like geometry. I think we should take a little bit of a deeper look into real life situations. What do you think?
I think we should do it.
Okay.
Bye, girl.
Now we will look into how geometry is used in the detective world.
We've got a case on our hands.
What's going on, Gio?
Oh, Michi, I just got wind of a case.
We better get Infinity down here.
Infinity reporting for duty.
I just got a call from Ray.
Oh, Ray, he's so tall, he just keeps on going.
Okay, Gio, what's the problem?
Last night, there was a ball at Circumference's palace. The king invited all the women in town so that his son Radius could find the girl of his dreams. I just spoke with Radius, and he said that around 11:30 last night, he was dancing with his soulmate. But when the clock struck midnight, she ran off without ever telling him her name. However, she did leave behind a glass slipper. It's up to us to find the girl the shoe belongs to.
That is quite a case. So what you're saying is we have to find the shoe that's congruent or the same as the shoe that the lady left behind at the ball last night.
Yes.
And whoever owns that shoe is the prince's true love.
This calls for drastic measures.
Oh, do you mean like the measures of a segment or possibly an angle?
No, silly. That's for geometry students. We need to measure the length of the princess's shoe so we can find the perfect match and the prince's true love.
As the prince's detectives, we should send out a notice with 2 columns. 1 column for the ladies' names, and the second column for why they think they're their prince's true love.
That sounds a lot like a 2-column proof.
Guys, what's the probability that one of these 3 girls could be the owner of the glass slipper?
Well, 3 out of 3 reported that they were wearing glass slippers, so I'm going to say there's a 100% chance.
But they could be lying.
Okay, send them in for their interviews.
Where were you on the night of Sir Comfort's ball?
I was at the ball, of course. That's how I met Prince Radius.
You reported here that you were wearing glass slippers. Is that true?
I was wearing a beautiful yellow dress, and yes, gorgeous glass slippers.
Well, we decided to give you a chance. Hold out your foot, please.
That's way too big on you.
No, it's because my foot shrunk.
That's preposterous! You are lying!
We'll be leaving now.
Where were you on the night of Sir Comfort's ball?
Well, obviously I was at the ball dancing with the ever so handsome Prince Radius.
You were dancing.
Yes.
Can we take a look at your feet, ma'am?
No, not right now.
She doesn't have any feet.
Oh, fine, you got me.
I knew it.
Little liar.
We'll be leaving now.
Where were you on the night of Sir Comfort's ball?
Well, actually, I wasn't planning on going to the ball at all because my evil stepsisters made me do their geometry homework. But then my fairy godmother came and gave me a beautiful blue dress with silver slippers.
Did you see Prince Radius last night?
Well, there was a circle of girls around him, so I couldn't really visit him. But then at the end of the ball, I finally got to dance with him.
Besides, this could be our girl.
Could we take a look at your foot and shoe?
Sure.
That's a perfect fit.
Interesting.
Could we see the other shoe, please?
Yeah.
Holy mackerels!
Those shoes are congruent. I mean, look. Same length, same angle on the heel. I mean, these are congruent shoes.